channel Science and Knowledge. So what will be the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra be like? All the important characteristics of the flagship have been revealed here. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. It is expected that the main changes in the new generation will be in the camera, but in terms of battery life and charging speed, you should not expect any improvements. An authoritative insider digital chat station has revealed new details about the new Samsung flagship. Although there are still about 6 months left, the release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can already estimate what one of the main devices of the 2025 will be like. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, like the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, will reportedly run exclusive on Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, skipping Exynos chipset. A similar approach was taken with the Galaxy S23, which only came with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain its 4 cameras. The main camera will remain at 200 megapixel, but the ultra-wide camera will be upgraded from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixels, and the 3x telephoto camera will be upgraded from 10 megapixel to 50 megapixel as well. The most important upgrade here is the 10 megapixel 3x zoom camera, which has remained unchanged since the 2021 Galaxy S21 Ultra model. But in terms of battery life and charging speed, you shouldn't expect any improvements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will get a 5000 mAh battery and a 45 watt fast battery charging speed. According to the informant, Samsung's combination of the battery capacity and charging speed lags far behind Chinese smartphones, which are moving to 6000 mAh battery. Early reports suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would be the thinnest smartphone in the Galaxy Ultra series. The new smartphone body would be just 8.5 mm thick. For comparison, the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 Ultra had a thickness of 8.9 mm, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra had a thickness of 8.6 mm. The design of the devices would resemble the Galaxy Note 7 with rounded corners. Samsung is expected to introduce the new flagship series in January or February 2025. And before that time, the Korean company should release the Galaxy S24 FE Fan Edition. It will get the design and hardware from this year's top Galaxy models, but will cost significantly less. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.